Hi guys, it's Legionero. Welcome back to my channel, and I would like to welcome all of my new subscribers. Today is day 6 of our 12 days of DIY Christmas gift ideas. Today we're actually doing a no-sew project, so yay! What we're doing today are some mini keychains, alright? And I've done one out of cork fabric and one out of faux leather fabric. The cork fabric I got from sewsweetness.com. And the faux leather fabric, this is a camo print. I don't know if you can see the print on that, but I got this from fabric.com. And this makes a quick and easy project. So let's get started. Alright, so let's get started on our mini keychain. What you're going to need, I'm using cork, but you can use faux leather or leather. This is a strip that is cut by 1 and 4.5 inches, so 1 by 4.5. I'll pop this on the screen as well as the description box below. So one strip of cork, faux leather fabric, and it's cut 1 inch by 4.5 inches. Right, you'll need a marking pen. You'll need your rivet tools. All right. You'll need a rivet. This is a size 8 that I have. You'll need a 1-inch D-ring and a 1-inch swivel clasp, a hammer or mallet, and this is just for me to have a hard surface, and also a ruler. Alright, so what we're going to do first, you're going to mark for your holes. I already did mine just to save time, but you're going to measure in on both ends a 1/2 inch, right? And you'll make your mark at a 1/2 inch, and then you'll find the center. All right, you can do that by just folding it in half and finding your crease in your center, and you mark your center, and that's where you're going to punch your 3 holes that you need. All right, so a 1/2 inch on both sides, and then find the center. Once you do that, you'll take your rivet tools and your hammer. This is the one that has the hole on the end. Now if you don't have this, an awl will work just fine for punching your holes. They'll work just fine. But whatever you can find to punch your hole in your piece. Right, so wherever you did your marking, you take your rivet tool or whatever you're using to make your hole, and you go ahead and make your hole. If you have your rivet tool, you'll line it up. And then you'll take your hammer or your mallet and you'll just hit it until it pokes a hole. And you'll do all that 3 times, all right, for your 3 holes. All right, so the next thing you're going to do, you're going to take your D-ring and you're going to slide it on one end. And you're going to take your swivel clasp and slide it on the other end. All right. And what you're going to do, you're going to line up your 3 holes. So there's one. And there's the other. Right. Make sure you line up all 3 nice and neat. You should be able to see straight through this. All right. That's what it looks like so far. And then you take your rivet right, and you place your rivet through the hole, right, and it should come out the other side, and then you place the top of the rivet on top. It should snap in place, right, just like that, right? Then you take this part of your rivet tool and you place one side of your rivet inside the little crevice there. You're going to take the part of the rivet tool that has like the indention there, and you're going to place it on top of your rivet. You'll take your mallet and your hammer and you'll just hit it until your rivet snaps in place. Once you have your rivet snapped in place, you're all done. Now, how quick and easy was that, right? And now you have a super cute no-sew keychain. All right, guys, that's it. Now you have some quick and easy no-sew mini key rings or keychains, however you want to use them. And you can use any cork, faux leather, or leather for this project. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in day 7 of our 12 days of DIY Christmas ideas.